Hey y'all, hey, it's your homegirl Shay, and I am back with a trending one today. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new here with me, my name is Shay and I got steps, and by the end of this video, you will have steps too. Also, red stands for right, so if you are watching along, the red sock is my right foot. But to make sure we are together every step of the way, I am going to turn around so that we can do this tutorial together. That being said, you came here for a goodie one because it is trending right now. This is the beginner-friendly version of Choosin Texas. I will put all of the information below, but I know you are ready to dance, so let's get started, okay? I'm going to go ahead and turn around, and we are going to start this dance on our right today. I love this dance. It is going to start with what we call a modified rumba box. So just imagine on your dance floor, there is a box, and we're gonna first do our first 8 count by stepping into all 4 corners. What that will look like is you'll step to the right for 1, 2. You're gonna cha-cha up, stop here on that point for 3, 4, over for 5, 6, and you're gonna cha-cha back for 7, 8, okay? Let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, up, 3 and 4, over 5, 6, back 7 and 8. Good? Yes. Feel free to pause and practice, but let's move on to the next step and then we'll practice both of them together. After you have landed back in your corner for 8, you're going to rock back on your right, and we're getting ready to position ourselves for a ballroom turn. So just imagine like you're opening a door. You're going to do that and open it to come back this way. I'll show you what that looks like first. I step back, open door. I step back on my left now, and I open the door back to turn to that position. So your count will be step back, 1, 2, turn over your left shoulder, 3 and 4, step back on your left, turn for 5 and 6, you're back in place for 7 and 8, okay? Let's put that together from the top part with the rumba box. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cha-cha, 3 and 4, 5, 6, back 7 and 8. Rock back, 3 and 4, rock back, 7 and 8. You're back in place, okay? I know that count was a little off, so I'll do that part over. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, okay? All right. Let's practice that one more time since there was a little bit of flurb on the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You're going to step back now for the next part for 1. And what we're going to get ready to do is flick our heel up like we're going to touch the bottom of it. You don't have to. We're going to cha-cha diagonal and skate. What that move looks like is step, flick, cha-cha up, skate, skate, rock, forward, turn around. That count is going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4, skate 5, 6, rock 7 and 8, turn around. All right? One more move and we're getting ready to go to start the dance over. So from here, let's practice that part again where we step, flick, cha-cha up, skate, skate, rock, recover. I'm turning back over my right shoulder. Let's put all of that together, and I'm going to give you an easy way to remember the next count, but that actually is the entire dance for the beginner's version of this. So from the top, starting with our modified rumba, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, up, 3 and 4, 5, 6, back 7 and 8, rock back, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Step, flick, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, flick, 3 and 4, 5, 6, rock 7, turn 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock back, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step, flick, 3 and 4, 5, 6, rock 7, turn 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock right, 3 and 4, rock left. Step, flick, 3 and 4, 5, 6, rock 7, and 8. Very good. So listen, that is the entire dance. Make sure you stop here, pause, rewind, and watch as many times as you want to. I need to hear from you. So let me know if this helped you. Before you go, just do me a favor. If you are in the Savannah area, please come and dance with me. I teach classes all around town. I would love to dance with you. And if you are not in the Savannah area, that's okay. Send me a message so I can come to you and dance with you. Before you go, do the things that need to be done. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe so you can get notifications. I will be dropping dances more often. I'm so glad you came here today. Make sure to dance with me as well so you can get your practice on for the next video. But I am Shay Got Steps, and now you do too. Thank you for line dancing with me. I will see you next time. Bye.